How to hide my liked on Instagram from my friends. In this video, I will show you how you can hide your liked post from Instagram. It means whenever you like any reel or any post on Instagram, your friends may see that you have liked this post or this video, but you can hide that from your friends. How you will do that? For that, you have to open your Instagram account and go to your profile. When you are on your profile, at the top right side, click on three horizontal lines, and now in search you have to write liked. Just simply click on like. When you search like in search, the second option, likes you have made, just click on this. When you click on this, here you can read at the top, who can see when you like other people's posts and reels. Means you whenever you will like any reel, any video or any post, no one, even your friend, can see that. So for that, just click on don't allow anyone to see likes. So this is the option. When you click on this, now onward, whenever you like any post, any video, any reels, no one will see, even your friends cannot see that you have liked this post or this video. So this is short tutorial. I hope you have liked it.